I'm back with another video, and I am excited about this particular video because this is my U-Haul, my Dollar Tree U-Haul for Easter baskets. So I have a grandson, and I do a lot of gardening and planting and harvesting my own stuff. So he likes to help out, so I got this little cute little thing right here, and he loves water bottles. So PBA free. Got that for him. And what is Easter without the chocolate bunny? All right. And then, like I said, he likes to help garden. So I got this. And I didn't get your traditional basket. This is actually, I think, more of a laundry basket. Now, they did have the traditional baskets, which is this time right here. I got two of them for my two nieces. So I will be doing some stuff with that. But let's get to the boys. Let's get to the little boy stuff. So I got these two shovels right here. And I have this cute little stuffing right here that's going to go inside. Okay. So I got 3 packs of that to go in there. And then I've got this cute little, all these are $1. Okay. You can go to Walmart and spend $30, $40, $50 for a basket. You can get as much as you want at the Dollar Tree and design it yourself. And this right here, you guys, I love this. It's Legos. It's gummy Legos. Okay. So yeah, he's going to love that. And what is Easter without the rabbit? And they even have the little stuffing in here. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it just stands it up like that. Now, gotta have jelly beans. Okay, so I got the jelly beans. We got the chocolate bunny, little fire truck. It even has the thing when you pull it, makes the sound and the sirens. And then I've got the Easter eggs. And then it even comes with this right here to wrap the basket in. And you got to have the sunglasses. You got to have that. And his mom normally gets him an Easter basket. They do it and I do it, so she gets the more high end, but hey, you get so much. And then you've got the little goodie bags too, y'all. You can put the little candy in there if you don't want it scattered everywhere, which is what I plan on doing. And then, like I said, you got the eggs that you can put the candy in. And then I got him this cute little ball to go in there. And let's get to the girl stuff, okay? I don't know about y'all, but when I was little, I had a My Little Pony. Now, this is kind of the cheaper version, but hey, it is so cute. Comes with a little comb and everything. Then you got the little princess tiara put on her head. You got the sunglasses. You got to have the jelly beans, people. And then, oh, I just fell in love with this. Look at this. So cute. $1, okay? You gotta have the little bunny thing right here too with the beans inside. Now, this right here in particular, I'm in love, okay? Because when I was little, they didn't have little stuff like this for Afro-American girls. And just to see the diversity, the dolls, all the stuff that they had in there, I just fell in love with this doll right here. Jelly beans, and you got to get the chocolate covered bunnies. And for their baskets, I also got, I'm going to put this one in my grandson's, but I got this for the other baskets. And they also had this, okay? And they've got the cute little Easter stuffing. Look, everybody, this is so cute. And it's affordable, okay? And look, love it. Love it. This is things that your little girls can do and to put on top of the basket when you get them together. I couldn't decide. I couldn't choose. So I just got 4 of them. Okay. So I haven't decided which ones I'm going to use yet. But this is my haul for my Easter baskets. And I hope this helps if you're on a budget. Dollar Tree is where I got all this stuff. And they've got everything in there. When I say everything, not just what you see here, there's more. This is just what I picked out. So if you are on a budget, this will be perfect for you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.